Hello, and welcome to my channel Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. This video provides a detailed guide on the expand functions in Excel, part of the dynamic array functions introduced in Excel 365. These functions are only available to Excel 365 subscribers. The expand function is used to enlarge an array to a specified number of rows and columns, pad the new extra cells with a chosen value, or use the default padding, standardize ranges that may have been received in different formats. We will explore the full syntax of the function, examine its behavior, including how it handles dimensions and errors. Then we shall look at practical examples of how to expand matrix of various sizes. Finally, you will see a practical use case combining expand with text split to easily separate comma-clubbed monthly sales data into 12 separate columns for multiple years.
Expand function. The expand function in Excel is used to enlarge an array to a specified number of rows and columns, padding extra cells with a chosen value. Default is hashtag and /a. It's part of the dynamic array functions introduced in Excel 365/2024. Syntax equals expand, array, rows, columns, pad with the array, the source array you want to expand. Rows, final number of rows in the expanded array. Columns, final number of columns in the expanded array. Pad with value used to fill new cells. Default is hashtag and /a. Behavior. If rows or columns are omitted, Excel keeps the original array's dimensions. If the specified dimensions are smaller than the original array, Excel returns a hashtag value. Error. If no pad with is given, extra cells show hashtag n/a. If the array is too large for Excel to handle, a hashtag num error occurs. Expand function expands a range on right or downwards. It cannot expand upwards or to the left. Expand function is used to standardize ranges which may have been received in different formats. We shall expand the range B2 to C4. Go to cell G2 and type in the formula as shown on the screen. Select the range you want to expand, then type 5 for the number of rows to expand and 4 as number of columns to expand. To pad the blank cells, use DNR, data not received. We have now got the expanded range. From a 3x2 matrix, it has expanded to 5x4 matrix. We shall now expand range B10 to E11. Select the range you want to expand, then type 5 for the number of rows to expand and 4 as number of columns to expand. To pad the blank cells, use DNR, data not received. We have now got the expanded range. From a 2x4 matrix, it has expanded to 5x4 matrix. We shall now expand range B18 to E20. Select the range you want to expand, then type 5 for the number of rows to expand and 4 as number of columns to expand. To pad the blank cells, use DNR, data not received. We have now got the expanded range. From a 3x4 matrix, it has expanded to 5x4 matrix. Please note that blank cells in the original range will appear as 0 in the new range. Practical use of expand function. Here we have received monthly sales data from 2001 to 2005. However, the Jan to December monthly data is clubbed in one cell, separated by comma. In an old-fashioned way, we can use text-to-column feature to segregate the data into 12 columns. Today, I'm going to show you another way to segregate the data using expand function. Select cell E3. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Type expand. Open bracket. Type text split. Open bracket. Select cell B3. Input comma. Input comma within inverted commas and close bracket. Input 2 commas. Input function columns. Open bracket. Select range E3 to P3. Close brackets. You will observe that the data is segregated across 12 columns. Copy the formula in cell E3 and paste into cells E4 to E7. The monthly data for the years 2001 to 2005 is segregated into 12 columns. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.